Who said? Who there?
Come, now who be that?
Ross, half an hour. Hey! Open this gate, I be a robber fast.
See. Come on, they come out for this plate.
I say open the gate, I tell I be a robber, can't rob for here.
Okay, they come out here, wait you go use your eye see, you no go like am. They come out from this place.
Now me they talk like me, a robber. Now they test say I go use my eye see.
Okay, come on.
See small. Okay, open this gate.
Okay, not let me come out and come meet you.
I don't dey use soft mind they talk to you. Open this gate.
Okay, I need to open now. Come on for here.
Chai, this work, they don't see me finish. God. If I fit get spare key now.
Okay, may I not touch me, oh.
Oh yeah, please, open the gate.
Chai! Okay, come on. See, wait you go use your eye see, you no go like am.
Now me they beg you now, you no go like am. I beg, open the gate. My rob which I want rob come out. Open am, no dey thief too much thing. Open am.
Okay, and I need to open that gate. And just do fast, come out from here.
Oh Allah. Ah, bros, what don't know? Your body go tell you now. You. How far now?
I did. What did happen here now?
Nah, no, I don't understand this small boy. I can't rob for you.
Oh, you be robber?
I be robber.
Okay.
I tell these boys to open this place. Sharp. I suppose don't finish, they go. Because now people go there around. This small boy, they tell me to make I come up for you. I say, what I go use my eyes see this boy. Or the normal day like me and you one. If you stand me.
Okay, you no be anything.
You be robber?
I be a robber.
Who be I'm robber?
I be a robber. Correct. I don't even know self. Baba, now to join hand rob this guy. Should be your eye don't this here. If you don't go join hand finish it for this house, your body go tell you. And they tell you open door. When you say only me, you no behave. Now guys don't come. Open this place.
The work self not even easy self.
This work no easy again.
Yesterday self go rob. Now this one will come back.
No, they come back.
Nothing, we don't say anything.
Should be the yara.
Nothing
Then
dey.
go up for night and now they come.
What?
They go use that anger plus my own and finish it. I can open this place.
Calm down now. Calm down. Now my younger brother be that. Jesus! Now my younger brother be that.
Our last born.
Can your house be this?
Our house be this.
You were not a
The guys have never understand. Why you don't even talk? I think for talk say, my brother's now robber. Oh. You just they do that. Plus, no while and I make it be later.
Come back here. Hey! What's in your pocket?
Okay, now the person will teach me robbery. Now he give me say make I can't charge the phone. So I asked him politely as a humble person. I said, bros, help me with charger. What the charger? What ask you?
Oh, I tell you I can't collect.
Charger. He did not even.
Give him. Get the charger.
No, I might tell the man.
But give me the phone. I get
want
charger.
tell the man. Say, oh, your brother will go no.
Give her the phone.
Oh, so now the man just get phone. So.
What's in this pocket?
Oh, now transport then give me in case them pursue me where I go rob.
Collect time.
Oh my God.
I better come off for road.
Hello, brother. Come tell your brothers, please. Not be so that they do something. Now today I start this robbery. Boss, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How's the family?
Our family house we can't rob like this.
Oh, now he no talk. He tell me say your family now robbers full and waiting to give me mind to come challenge. Brother, I beg. Hey!